Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart the Eufy C28. That's different from a factory reset. We're just going to be doing a simple power cycle. If you're interested in the C28, the link to it will be in the video description. We'll also have links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals. So be sure to shop all those links. So with your vacuum, make sure it's powered on. You should see some solid white illuminated lights here. And to conduct the restart, we just have to press and hold the power button for a couple of seconds here and watch the lights change.
Shutting down.
So voice prompt, it's shutting down, the lights are off. It's saying wait patiently. They might flash and blink a couple of times, no big deal. But we'll give it a couple more seconds, and then what we'll do to complete the restart is we're going to turn it right back on. So now let's go ahead, let's press and hold for a couple more seconds. Watch the lights here, the lights came on. We'll wait for some startup audio and noise. It's blinking, flashing, and eventually, once it's all the way booted up, you'll have those solid white lights again. There's the startup chime and music. The lights are solid white. That's how you restart your Eufy C28.